of this world. Forever I'm that girl. Feed you diamonds and pearls. Oh, baby, hi. Hey, y'all. So I just did my hair a little bit. About to go to my sister-in-law last. My camera just died. Hey, y'all. So just got back home from the football game, of course.
Oh, look at you, baby.
Alright.
So good.
Oh, wait, you got it?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Buddha? I think she went over there.
They didn't make no points.
What are you doing, Buddha? Oh, cheese. Say cheese.
Yeah, it was good, but Jackson was ready to go, so we left. But I am actually making him some popcorn right now. He's sitting on the couch eating. But tomorrow, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So tomorrow is my girls' day, girls' night in, basically. And I'm also shooting some content for a brand tomorrow. I'm gonna have my friends in it, so I'm super excited. Can't wait to go see that. But actually, they sent me some goodies, so I'm gonna open it. So we're gonna open it together. All right, so hold on, let me hide my address. This is what they sent me. Like when I shake it up. Yes, boo boo. Yeah. No, this is mommy's box. Anyways, y'all, when I shake it up, it's like it's a lot of stuff in here, and I want to open it right now. So let's open it together, I guess. Let's see if I can. Okay. Like sometimes they be putting this tape on here so good. Okay, it's too good almost. All right, let's see. Oh my God, this is so cute. Yes, like how to camp. Oh wow, how to community. This is so cute. Oh my God, I love it. I love good brands. Take your shot and get $5 off per signature recipes. Okay, it's probably gonna be one of my best collabs. Wow, what is this? So this is a pineapple jalapeno. Like the stuff is in here to make a drink. Like they thought some stuff into this campaign. And we got shot glasses. Oh my God, hold on, let me open up the shot glasses. This came with 2 of them, so we just gonna open up the first one. Cause y'all, I didn't already like bought little stuff, and then like, oh my God, they have outdone themselves. Like seriously, this stuff is too cute. I love working with good brands. And look at the little board. It's gonna be a little charcuterie board. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God. Oh, y'all are not ready for this. This last thing they put in here. Hold on, hold on. This is about to be the best part. They sent a hoodie. Y'all know I love hoodies. Oh, thank y'all. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. me. Now they stuck with me for life. Like, I would always want to work with them. Honestly, y'all, working with like liquor brands and everything like that has been like the most amazing experience. Like, better than any other like partnerships I work with. Like, all the liquor brands are been like A1. And I don't know what made me start appealing to them when they started reaching out to me like crazy. Maybe because I always got to eat, like drinks and stuff. But they just been hitting me up a lot, and they be paying me too. So, and not the little coins either, the big coins. And yeah, I gotta like redo all of this on Instagram and like thank them for sending me this. Like, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, it's too cute. Too freaking cute. Thank you, Hornitos. Y'all are the best. Okay, good morning, guys. Literally have the morning face on. It's early in the morning. I'm out here trying to run errands. Because Ro has to go to a funeral. And I am having girls' night, so I'm trying to run to the store and get stuff for girls' night. And I was like, why not throw my Hornitos hoodie? Because I'm a Hornitos hottie now. So yeah, I'm about to do that. Let me start the car. But I also like, sorry, it got dark. But I also want to go to Target, but I know I don't need to go to Target, but I want to go. Why is it so dark? Okay. Yeah, but I want to go to Target. But I'm trying to think of any valid reasons. Like, I really, for what I'm looking for, I really need to go to the grocery store. But for Target, I just want to, you know, stroll around. We should see. Let's go. But let me turn on my seat warmers and stuff first. Making progress. So right now I'm looking for seltzers. And I don't see the one I'm looking for. So it's a buzz. And I think I'm going to just get out here then. Yeah. I made it to Target. Yes, I did. I made it to Target. And I only left with 3 things. I only got 3 things, y'all. I'm so happy. And the best part, I had all these reward earnings in Target Circle. So I only paid $9 for 3 things from Target. Who does that? It's not real. I had like $20 in savings. So I'm so happy, and I'm off to a good start because God be looking out. You know I didn't even come to Target and be spending money, but now I'm about to go home and do my nails, make some press on nails real quick because if I'm showing content, I need my nails done. So, period. Alright, now I'm gonna go home. And here is, you know, the foundation is starting before I start doing these nails. So I'm going to do short square nails today because I just can do more with short nails than when I have long nails on. So we're just gonna knock this out. Y'all, don't judge me. Look what Jackson just did. This he just drew on the wall. So yeah, we're just gonna ignore it for now because if you're a mom of a toddler, you already know how they are. They will get into everything because I threw all of his crayons away, but he still found a way back to them somehow and got back to the wall. So me and Sanaya just got to the Airbnb, y'all, and it's so freaking cute. I have to show y'all everything. So like, this is my room, of course. So it's so adorable, so cute. Like, look at the natural lighting here. Stunning. Here's a dining room. She's serving stuff in. Like, it is literally stunning in here. Turn the light. It's getting as opposed to gay. Cute, petite little spot. I know I love me a good kitchen, and I love the green cabinets with the white accent gold, everything. 10 I'll show y'all the back in a minute, but I'm gonna help Sadine bring this in.
That's it.
Okay, I can't show y'all the brand I'm working with, but if you smart, you know. So we're just going to.
If you smart, you know.
Look at this, y'all. You does this shit. This is too cute. Hey, girl. Hey, look, we on the same vibe. We on the same vibe.
It's so cute here. Hi. This is too cute.
Right, as you see, like the first theme is Friendsgiving, so that's the vibe we going for.
For real.
Like, y'all, look at our setup.
That's really all.
Too
Exactly.
freaking
But I was like, you said fine.
cute.
Out here. That's crazy.
Everybody is here. Girls night is officially about to. Kelsey, Keisha, Tamara. Y'all know what she said. Oh, y'all taking shots without us? Hold on. What? Huh?
Okay, never mind. Y'all take yours.
Right, yeah. That's why it's so strong. That's why it's strong. That's why it's strong.
Look at it.
Ooh, wait, this is
What is that?
Oh my god.
That's your nasty.
It was nasty. It was nasty. It was nasty. It was
Oh, wait, is it
Oh, shoot. Not salt.
nasty. You didn't get the right one. That's what I get. I would have told y'all what the sugar is at.
Dang, that's crazy.
Huh?
That's messy.
Y'all ready to do it again?
Yeah.
This is sugar. I cancel salt.
Yeah, that's
Ain't no
sugar.
salt drinkers.
That's crazy.
Somebody's getting fucked up tonight. We going out tonight. That's right. That's right. Y'all want to play this drinking game? And let's just say the 3 cups in the back has the most liquor. So
Okay.
sorry to those girls.
They're buddies. They're buddies.
Okay.
Yeah, so we gonna do youngest to oldest, and each person gotta walk over here and grab one drink. You take a sip, and everybody gotta guess who got the most like fucked up cup by your facial expression when after you drink. Huh? No, you gotta take off.
Mia, how old are you? 20?
No. You can pick one, 22.
So we'll start with Mia.
24.
24?
25.
27, bitch.
25?
Hold on, wait, hold on. Who's 25? 25.
Come on, Sydney. Come on, Sydney. 30.
26 in line.
You,
26.
yeah.
I'm the August. I'm after her. Oh, you in front of me.
So, yeah, that means.
Mia first. Huh?
So who first? Her? No, she's in July. I'm first. August was
All right.
There we go.
Hey,
So, Keisha, she got the baby, y'all. So she lucky. She lucky tonight. She lucky.
They know I turn up.
Okay.
Okay, so you
She's
said.
younger than me.
Watch out, Tamara.
Who younger than who?
You 26.
Monifah, you.
Mom, you 26? Yeah. Of course. No. You in front of Shante. Wait, how we doing it? Youngest of this motherfucker, you picked the room. Okay. All right, me, we hold it down. I'm so sad for you. All right, look. Mom,
You're older than her?
why you color coordinating? We're supposed to mix it up.
Hey, what?
Okay.
All
All right, look.
Are we supposed to be like dramatic so y'all think we're lying or?
No, you supposed to hide it.
You are
supposed to do your best to hide your reaction to whatever the drink is. So then we have to, whoever,
I'm good.
whoever picked the right one, don't have to take a shot.
Well, I'm gonna pick the right one because
Wait, yeah,
Whoever.
basically.
Okay. So What you gonna do is you're gonna pick a drink. You're gonna take it. You're gonna taste it and say, just like juice. Everybody say just like juice.
Okay. That's even better.
So, but everybody has to pay attention to the reaction on their face.
Yep. It's all about the face.
And don't be lying either. Don't be like, just like juice, and you know you have
So, you gotta do your best to act like it's just juice. Whatever it may be. Some of them are juice, some of them are liquor, some of them are question mark.
We don't have to drink the whole thing, right?
Or we're doing big gulps.
Big do a big go. But you gotta finish your drink.
You gotta finish it.
So by the end of the I'm gonna give you what time is it?
Come again.
So you gotta finish your drink. And by 8:45.
It's only one.
What time is it?
Damn,
D.
Yeah.
All right, so we gotta go.
All right, let's go.
15 minutes.
Oh, you picked it.
Damn, that's a big ass. Damn.
She said like
It's a juice.
Yeah. We finish it while we.
I know we supposed to get a big gulp, but me thick just like juice.
No, that voice got the cracking at the end.
Just like juice.
Okay.
That's liquor.
Wait, so
That's
we supposed to say what it is, or we just
We
say
say
No, you
just
supposed to
like
say it's like
juice.
juice.
Just like juice.
Whatever it is, yeah.
You gotta guess. We guess at the end.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who had the most?
So I don't gotta drink the whole cup, but she took it to the
Let
end.
me tell y'all, it's 4 people that got crazy amounts of liquor in it.
Damn.
4 people.
That'd be good.
So that give y'all an idea. Go ahead.
You man up.
Just like juice. Just switch that up.
Okay, y'all gotta switch the line around.
Oh yeah, we gotta.
Are we here, Keith?
All eyes on you.
Put my regular clothes on.
You just be so like this.
Not a sip.
Y'all over here taking sips.
Okay, I know y'all better go.
I'm almost believing it.
You go for you
Take another one.
How you trying to spell? You cheating. You already trying to spell that cup. How much y'all you trying to
Already
spell that
knowing.
cup?
Oh, damn, we should have made them. You gotta drink it all over there.
How you forgot which one had the liquor in it?
Oh, wait, I heard Joseph.
Yeah.
So whoever say it's not juice, well, it is juice, you gotta drink it all to prove it.
We all gotta say it though.
We-
I'm saying when we figure it out,
Everybody
I
gotta
say
drink
you got liquor.
Oh,
I heard it. But if you got liquor, you like it's juice, drink it all.
Got you.
Damn, right?
Whoa.
But if you messing yourself up, you mad at the drink.
So we gotta drink it all. No, if you lie.
If you lie.
You gotta drink it all. Everybody gotta drink theirs by 8:45. So hurry up. Hurry it up.
But if you say this is juice.
I'll go.
They said disregard.
Y'all.
This is TikTok.
I don't know if you know how other people know, but that's what they're
Okay.
Virgo, right?
Yeah.
Me and the detective.
They look like
That's what they should know. I don't think it looks like something.
You might end the know.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Pizza.
Doorbell.
Take that goat. Take that goat.
Let me get my gun.
Okay. Hold on, let me get 2 cups for them.
Everybody, this is Steve and Taylor. Hi. Y'all look cute. Hi. You look cute. Hey, what are y'all doing?
playing a game.
So the year right now is just like juice. What you talking about? It's like juice. It's like juice. So we made a whole bunch of drinks and we look youngest for oldest. Everybody got this.
It's not you, man. Right over there. Switch it up.
So yeah,
All right, y'all ready?
Wait, is it not get 2 more drinks?
yeah.
Oh, now
Yeah, I gotta get it on. Yeah,
There she goes.
yeah, that was quick.
Alright, she prepared.
Yeah, motherfucker.
Something's out here that
I don't care, y'all just got here. Come
There's a
on.
lot in there. Dang.
It is.
Right.
I'm just making it blended.
You said I'm juju.
Okay.
You would tell me what you like about it. You would turn
This, do those other lights turn on?
Huh?
Those lights?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're live at Girls Night 2022, and baby, it's on you. Okay.
Oh!
I don't even know what that means.
Don't even know what that means, but she just killed that. Killed it. We try to turn on these lights.
Oh yeah.
Isn't there no switch on the inside?
Bro, this is him. That is so nice.
Right. Cause we could be out here. Excuse me, sissy boo.
Hey, babe. This is what you call
Tamir.
a bad bitch who working.
What?
That was from.
Look at. No.
I'm going to the fryer.
My best friend. Right. So that immediately I didn't think. Yes. Immediately I didn't think that.
All right, come on.
A chicken salad. Yes, it's time to relax by the fire. Yeah. Ooh.
I really can fall asleep right here.
My eyes.
God.
Where's the wine?
So Donna, you're still.
Good morning. I just woke up and we'll get some breakfast. But I woke up feeling sick and I don't like that. But last night, y'all, was so fun. But I'm also so tired and beat up. I feel like an old lady.
This was on my leg. Wait, what are you gonna make?
Huh?
I thought you were vlogging.
Oh, I am vlogging. It's okay. I turn it up. Hold on, y'all.
To the left of me, which is your right. With the white and yellow flowers on the shirt.
The breakfast of a champion. Tanaya, you don't got your food. Nah, 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 nah.
I still got